Hi, my name is Fatimah Safa Kauthar, and I am a student from the Arabic Language Education Program. Here, I will present a short video about the development of Islam in the land of the rising sun. According to historical records, Islam entered Japan in the mid-20th century. After the arrival of Islam, Japan showed significant development as a country with a local or geographical religion. Compared to the other Asian countries, Islam was the last Abrahamic faith to enter Japan. However, Japan did not reject the arrival of Islam. Several Japanese figures have stated that there are similarities between Japanese culture and Islamic tradition. However, the deeply ingrained tradition in Japan made it difficult for the Japanese people to easily embrace Islam. In reality, the number of Muslims in Japan is not very significant. According to data from 2019, there were only about 230,000 Muslims in Japan, out of the total population. Of this number, only 10% were of Japanese descent. Most Japanese people who convert to Islam or embrace it did so because of marriage or other reasons. Historical records mention three Japanese individuals who were the first to embrace Islam in Japan. Tojiro Yamada in 1819, who visited Turkey and changed his name to Abdul Halil after converting to Islam and performing the Hajj pilgrimage to Mecca. Mitsutaro Takaoka in 1909, who visited Mecca, converted to Islam and changed his name to Omar Yamaoka. And Bumpachiro Aruga, who also converted to Islam in the same year after returning from India and changed his name to Ahmad Aruga. These three individuals make significant contribution to the early development Islam in Japan. Religious freedom in Japan is one of the factors that support the development of Islam in the country. It is evident that the arrival of Islam in Japan did not face any notable rejection or cultural clashes. Even the government guarantees its citizens the freedom to practice their religion. However, when examined more closely, religious life in Japan is quite complex because the Japanese people practice polytheism in their beliefs. The number of religions and beliefs in Japan is quite large, and the country is often referred to as a museum of religions. In terms of its spread, Islam in Japan is mostly embraced by immigrants from countries such as Turkey, Pakistan, Iran, Indonesia, and others. In 1953, after World War I, the first mosque was built in Kobe, followed by the construction of over 100 mosques throughout Japan. In the establishment of mosques in Japan, many Indonesians living in the country were actively involved. One notable figure was Prof. Eldi Zuhati, founder of Al-Azhar University Indonesia, who played a significant role in the establishment of a mosque in Tokyo in the 1960s while studying there. The large group of Muslims in Japan are Indonesians living in the country, followed by people from other nations. By early 2020, facilities for Muslims such as prayer rooms and halal corner in supermarkets and restaurants were being built in public places, allowing Muslims to pray and consume halal food with ease and safety in Japan. As a result of these efforts, Japan has become a popular tourist destination among Muslims. This has become an important source of income from the country. Providing the best facilities and service for Muslims is part of Japan's soft diplomacy towards Muslim majority countries. which has influenced development of Islam in Japan. Although Japan is not a Muslim majority country, it is friendly to Muslim immigrants, with the large number of mosques and prayer spaces are considered to be very adequate compared to the other countries with Muslim minorities. To other countries with Muslim minorities. This aligns this this aligns with the government's goal of making Japan a Muslim-friendly country. The current development of Islam is largely driven by the presence of mosques, prayer halls, and which play an important role in spreading Islam in Japan. These centers provide guidance for those wanting to learn more about Islam. They also offer various facilities for the general public, especially Japanese people, such as discussion space and a large collection of books on Islam. They also offer various facilities for the general public, especially Japanese people, such as discussion space and a large collection of books on Islam in the Japanese language. It can be said that although the number of Japanese Muslims is still relatively small, the development of Islam in Japan has made significant progress. These facilities contribute to the growth of Islam in Japan, addressing the slow spread of the religion when it first entered the country, as can be seen from various aspects.